Apple has just rolled out iOS 26 Beta 1 to developers, and it delivers the most sweeping makeover we've seen in years. In this video, we'll highlight some of the most eye-catching updates that you don't want to miss. Liquid glass redesign. Apple has ripped up the flat design playbook, replacing it with liquid glass, a system-wide cloak of translucency and refraction that lends every icon, widget, and menu a shimmering depth. The Apple icon flex and glow against your wallpaper, the controls feel suspended in midair, and the background subtly refracts light as you scroll. Next-gen lock screen. Your lock screen now breathes in 3 dimensions. Backgrounds spring to life with spatial animation, clock widgets intelligently resize and reposition to fill every nook, and you can stack multiple lock screen setups, each flaunting its own wallpaper, typeface, and widget lineup. Home screen level up. iOS 26 introduces semi-opaque liquid glass app icons that blend with your wallpaper. The app library and dock now appear as translucent panels, and haptic touch menus have been redesigned with a clearer, reflective appearance. Messages, polls, backgrounds, and screening. Group chat support full-screen backgrounds, integrated polls, and per-participant typing indicator. Enhanced spam filtering can quarantine messages from unknown senders and provide a summary before they reach your main conversation. On-device AI and live translation. Apple Intelligence levels up on-device. Snap a screenshot, tap the AI icon, and watch it search your gallery or translate text instantly. No internet ping required. FaceTime and cellular calls now beam live transcription and translation, smoothing cross-border chats like hot butter. The all-new Games app. iOS 26 includes a dedicated Games app that consolidates Apple Arcade and App Store's titles in one place, complete with integrated leaderboards and daily Game Center challenges. The unified hub presents your games with a translucent interface for quick access, removing the need to navigate multiple home screen pages. Photos and spatial scenes. Photos restores separate library and collection tabs for improved navigation. Additionally, the new spatial scenes features enable compatible images to shift in parallax as you tilt your iPhone, creating dynamic animated wallpapers, notes, markdown, and more. The Notes app interface has been updated with translucent glass-like toolbars and refined animation to improve visual consistency and responsiveness. A new export option allows you to convert entire notebooks into markdown files directly from Share menu, preserving headings, lists, and formatting. Clock and snooze customization. Alarms gain precision-tuned snooze sliders, dial anywhere from 1 to 15 minutes, and in standby mode, your nightstand glows with live widgets, weather updates, calendar glimpses, or news flashes greeting you at dawn. CarPlay evolves. CarPlay transforms into a glass cockpit interface. Floating widgets glide across the dash, live activities weave into your drive, and you can tap quick reply reactions to messages, all while keeping your eyes locked on the road. Battery and performance smarts. A new AI-fueled power manager studies your habits and subtly throttles animations or background chores when juice runs low. It rings every last drop from your battery so you can binge videos and podcasts just a little longer. Journal app and health tracking. Meet Journal, a private, build-your-own space for daily entries, mood logs, and seamless Apple Health Sync. Spin up multiple journals, tag your thoughts, and embed photos or voice notes, crafting richer memories in single glossy app. So there you have it. iOS 26 isn't just an update, it's a whole new world. From liquid glass's hypnotic sheen to AI that translates on the fly, Apple's reshaping your iPhone into something more alive, more intuitive, and more personal than ever. If you're craving both form and function, start tapping that beta today and get ready to see your phone in a whole new light.